welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video I'll be doing a weekly clean with me where I dust the bedrooms and vacuum and mop the hallway and clean the bathroom. I try to maintain my house as clean as possible. That's why you'll see in my videos that I jump right into it, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new, I hope you consider subscribing, like my video, it really helps on my channel. And now let's get into cleaning, guys.
When the world is everything, no break us up for good, would you hang around? When all we got right.
Okay, so to dust the furniture in the bedrooms, I'll be using my duster for dry dusting, and also after that I'll be using my Quickie microfiber cloths with my Method multi-surface spray and the scent lime and sea salt, which is my favorite.
Tell me how you feel about it. Yeah, soñé que me querías, pero no es cierto. Solo lo haces pa' que yo esté contento. La chispa de la llama se apagó lento.
So because it's been rainy and gloomy and windy and everything here in Virginia, we haven't been going outside as much, so we've been opening the windows a lot, and of course, you know, dirt and stuff comes in. And because our allergies are insane right now, we all have allergies in my house, so I try to keep up with the dusting because obviously dust does not help our allergies, so I try to do this at least once a week.
Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Through the night and day, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. Night and day, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling now. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Boy, it's been a while since we talked, and my head's getting nervous. I can't handle this on and off. I can't, no. I just gotta know where you are if I want to remain sane. But you're ghosting every text and call. Oh no. You could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself, yeah. Maybe you're just off doing what you said. Ooh, think I've lost myself. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray-cray, but I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it, I think I'm losing it, I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it, I think I'm losing it, I think I'm losing it bad. I've been staring at my phone too long, feel my eyes getting tired, and the battery is long, long gone. Oh no, no, there is something you're not telling me, but I can't wrap my head around it. You said you and I were meant to be last week. You could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself, yeah. Wait, maybe you're just off doing what you said. Ooh, think I've lost myself. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but
Okay, so the last thing I'll be doing in our bedroom is vacuuming the floors, and then I'll move on to the next room and I'll be doing the same as I did in my bedroom.
I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. Wish my mind and I could free ourselves from agony, but without you here it's hard to keep my thoughts clean. I'm just worried there is something you're not telling me. Ooh, ooh. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go off.
Moving on to the boys' rooms, I'll start with my oldest. Recently I cleaned our entryway, and that's where we kept our winter hats and gloves and stuff, so I gave that all a good wash, and now I'm just gonna put them away.
I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. Two years and you never said a word. No, in 2 hours and now we said it all. You know we don't wanna fall in love again. Oh no, just think about what we did. It never worked, no. Tonight, I can tell that you don't care.
Okay, to dust and wipe down the surfaces in those rooms, I'm gonna use the same products I used in my master bedroom.
Then it's like you're pushing me away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away, then when I go all in. Like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying.
Fun fact, you guys, I did not know that these windows open that way. I was watching Jessie at home and she opened her windows that way, and then I wondered if mine opened the same way, and they did. And I'm so happy because like I can like clean them more and they look really nice, and it's just, I didn't know, guys. So I don't know if all windows do that, but just in case you didn't know, you can do that to some windows.
Always know how to get me sentimental. You always say the right things, like you're pushing me away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away, then when I go all in. Like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying. Always say the right things, like you're pushing me away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away, then when I go all in. Like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
Moving on to the baby's bedroom, it doesn't get dirty as much here since all his toys are downstairs, but he has all his books up here, and you can see the pile on top of that shelf that has been accumulating all these days. So I'm just gonna put this away and wipe everything off, and then I'm gonna finish by vacuuming the carpet.
list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I
Okay, so now cleaning the boys' bathroom. This bathroom tends to be the messiest in the house, so I try to keep up with it by cleaning it at least 3 times a week.
second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way.
Okay, now to finish cleaning the upstairs, I'm gonna sweep the floor or the hallway, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mop.
Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's what something, give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something, give me something, give me something. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something, give me something now. Oh, yeah. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, and the last thing on my to-do list for today was to fold this load of laundry I had sitting there for quite a few days. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I hope you like my content and consider subscribing. I have tons of cleaning motivation coming up, organization videos, lifestyle content. So if you like that kind of stuff, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.